Lots of people think they need a latest laptop or a high-end laptop to become a hacker. Is it really needed that much specifications? I'm gonna break that misconception today. Most of the beginners makes mistake by spending lots of money on high-end laptops which are around 50 to 70,000 rupees. But for learning hacking, you don't need to spend that much money on a laptop because the operating system required for hacking is lightweight and most of the tools works from the command line interface. If you ask me why are these laptops are overpriced, then I'm gonna say that these laptops are mostly focused on gaming and video editing. These laptops come equipped with features such as high refresh rate and dedicated graphic cards like RTX 30 series, which are only essential for gamers and video editors. I say 80% human and 20% machine, so never burn all your funds on a single laptop which is overpowered. You can begin by considering second-hand laptops available on platforms like OLX or eBay. Many security professionals started their journey this way because it allows them to allocate the remaining budget towards other essential hardware equipment like Wi-Fi adapter and other tools required for their specific tasks. This approach can be cost-effective and practical for those starting in the field of cybersecurity or ethical hacking. Every year, new-gen processors are released by Intel and AMD for the price based on their speeds. The more the speed, the more the price. But as I told you before, mid-range specification laptops are good enough to start learning hacking. If your budget is too low and you can't even afford a mid-range laptop, you can go with the Raspberry Pi, which is the best device for the beginners in this industry because this can handle all types of tasks and we can able to install any kind of Linux operating systems like Ubuntu, Red Hat, Kali Linux, Parrot OS. Now with the rest of the funds, you can spend on a good Wi-Fi adapter with monitoring and packet injection features. There is a tool called AirCrackNG which can able to run multiple wireless attacks on the network, but only compatible chipsets are supported by this tool because not all the chipsets have packet injection and monitoring features. There are other devices like Wi-Fi Pineapple, which is good for Wi-Fi pentesting attacks, and Rubber Duckies, which is good for e-logging attacks and remote attacks. These devices are not mandatory, but if you have good funds, you can buy these devices because this will make your work simple. Even though if you do not have these devices, also not a problem because you can run the scripts even without these devices, but it will take more time. My suggestion is always use a virtual machines like VirtualBox or a VMware because they help you to create multiple virtual machines and all the virtual machines are connected one to each other using a NAT technology where you can run multiple types of attacks simultaneously. But if you are not using virtual machine, then you cannot able to run these types of attacks physically because you are not authorized to run these types of attacks without a permissions. They keep you in a big trouble. So I conclude that never go for a high-end devices. Instead, write down the budget and buy the devices according to your budget. Always do the research before buying anything. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to drop a like, leave a comment and subscribe for more content like this. Until then, happy hacking.